off the lights. Good morning, guys. I'm going to the store with my husband. He wants to hold on. He wants a date, and he's sitting in the car just waiting for me to come out. But I'm going on a date with my husband. You know where I'm going? Guess. Please guess and tell me where I'm going. He's driving, so that's good. Say good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Come on, I got it. So you gonna tell them where we're going? Turn that down before I get copyrighted. You wanna tell them where we're going?
Martin's.
Yep, that's right, people. Sit. Where you go, Mama, Dada? Yeah. We are going to the grocery store. That is where we're going. Cause I spent the night in his basement. We role play a lot. It's ridiculous. But I spent the night in his basement, and then he made breakfast for me and sent it down the basement.
Lock the doors.
Lock it. There you go. Oh, you got it. Good job. Oh my word. What's the you have to tell me the code later on. But
this is the one that comes with the vehicle.
So now we're going.
So we remember.
So now we're going on a date to the grocery store. I feel like such a lucky girl. Like, I'm so excited. Like, I've never gone to the grocery store before. Oh my word. I'm so looking forward to hang out with this handsome man at the grocery store. Oh my gosh. Guys, can you believe it? I'm going to the grocery store. You guys ever gone to the grocery store before? I've never gone. So we will see you guys when we get there. We ended up in Walmart instead of Martin's, so we're on a date in Walmart.
I'm not grumpy today.
He's not grumpy today. The grumpy Grinch. He's not grumpy today, so we're just gonna finish and do a little bit of Christmas shopping for 2 kids and get out of here. Come on, Leah. Come on. Come on. Right there. Bring that one. Good girl. Give it to Daddy.
Thank you.
Good job. Give me a high five. That's it. No more. High five. Good job. Is that a Kool-Aid? Is that a single pack of Kool-Aid? Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Go give it to Daddy.
No,
what's $1?
Because this is 180 square feet.
Okay. So we're getting these for dinner, Christmas dinner. And what else? It was a toss-up between this and this. But this is only 20 plates. So we're gonna get this one. Then we have napkin and fork and aluminum.
Stand up.
I was gonna get these for them to take food, but I'm not spending all that money.
Don't pull from me. Give me your hand. Thank you.
So we're on our way home. Walmart was so stressful. We spent more money than we should have. We were looking to spend just a little bit of money, and we spent way too much. Together it was like, with the stuff we got the kids and food for Christmas, it was about
Did we get food for Christmas?
yeah, we got a little bit of stuff.
We didn't get no like oxtail and stuff.
That's not even on my menu.
That's not?
No, it's not on my menu. All that's on my menu is chicken.
We have turkey.
Rice and peas, turkey.
What type of chicken?
Probably curry chicken. You want curry chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah. So probably some curry chicken. And then my sister, I invited my sister over, so she's gonna bring, not my twin, but my youngest sister. My youngest sister. She's coming and she's bringing escabeche, which is fish with a whole bunch of vegetable on top of it with vinegar. And my mother-in-law is cooking on the 24th because they celebrate Christmas differently from how I celebrate Christmas. So we're gonna have 2 Christmases in one. I'm gonna do the traditional Christmas, and they're gonna do the Hispanic Christmas, which is at midnight, where you cook, you eat, you wait until midnight, and then the kids open presents. They're gonna open presents from their grandparents, and then Christmas Day they're gonna open Christmas. They're gonna open presents on the 25th, Christmas morning. The good thing about it this year is that we don't have to travel anywhere because everyone is coming to our home. So that's the exciting part, and I will talk to you guys once I get home. I'm back home, and usually every year I would buy Christmas pajama either for their grandparents' house or for here, and this year it just wasn't in the budget. Carter's had a sale where the pajamas were like, excuse me, where the pajamas were like $4.95 or $4.97. So it would have cost me $25 to buy all brand new pajamas for Christmas instead of the $100 and something. And no matter how much I tried, I couldn't get the sale. It was too many people trying to get the sale, so I didn't end up getting the sale. So this year what I did is, I'm pretty sure they have pajama bottoms. So what I did is I got Destiny a red shirt. Oh my word, she's eating my salad. I got Destiny a red shirt, and then I got the boys all plain t-shirt from Walmart for like $3.47. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like in a second. Hold on. So Jason, where's the shirt? Can you come do the shirt, please? And then Maddie, where's Maddie's pajama? I got Maddie the actual pajama from Walmart. They were like $7.44. So I got her a red and white.
The red and white?
Yeah. Jackson, stand up. Let me see.
Where is that?
Where's the tag thing on it?
Where is that, mommy?
Brandon, stop.
Come on, come on.
Don't put it on my remote. Jackson. Oh, you're on camera.
Okay. So this is what they look like.
No, what I look like.
Jason's bottom, like this one, is dirty. This is the same bottom from last year, but I just got her a red top. And Maddie's just wearing a red and white snowflakes pajama. They don't match, but they coordinate. Come over here. They don't match, but they coordinate so that when they open presents and I take picture, they don't just look so mismatch. Is that a word? Is that a word? Yeah, that is a word. So you guys can take it off. And Jason, make sure you find your bottom, because I need it by the 25th. Actually, the 24th.
No, Destiny, where are you?
You guys gonna get
Where are you?
dressed up for Grandma's Christmas.
Where are you?
So far I haven't finalized my menu for Christmas yet. I picked up stuff here and there. But I think my sister is bringing a dish, and we have a turkey, and then I got some Walmart brand ginger ale and grape something for people that are coming, and I got some sparkling, is it sparkling sparkling something that his mom usually use to bring in Christmas. And if all else fail, I'll just do white rice with turkey and call it a day. I can't think of anything else that I want to add to my menu because I don't want to overwhelm myself. It's just I don't want to overwhelm myself, and I don't. So Maddie is potty training. Look at that. Hey! Hey! Hi! No, stay on the potty. Stay on the potty, okay? Yeah, stay on the potty. Yeah. So we're at this stage with Miss Madison. She is potty trained. She is officially in full swing of potty train. She went once on the toilet. She peed, and then it was just getting messy. Like she was peeing and then licking it off the carpet. It's just gross. So I had to stop. But now we're in full swing of potty training. And I just had to document that because we've documented everything from her birth, from her conception, birth, until now. She's potty training. I can't believe it. Oh my word. Baby stages are over. We've added to our family, and she's just a joy to have in our family. Look at her little face. Leia! No more toilet paper. Her big sissy's there with her.
I'm watching her so she doesn't fall in the toilet.
She's not going to fall in the toilet.
Afghanistan in 2010. He confessed to the murder on television a couple of years ago. A Pentagon spokesman has called the allegations law enforcement matter and cautioned the president.
Daddy gonna beat y'all. Y'all mess up that wall.
And the president is also taking Twitter today to talk about
Really up.
the president called
Really up, Destiny.
on hoax.
Until Daddy gets y'all.
The president isn't the only one talking about it today. His personal attorney, Rudy Giuliani, appearing on Fox News Sunday with Chris Wallace and using strong language to make it clear the president will not be sitting down for an interview with.
I don't have a chance.
Hey guys, all the kiddos are sleeping. I just put Maddie down.
And they knew you were in your panties.
Nobody needs to know what I'm in, honey. You always want to broadcast my business for everyone, because
Oh, you've been doing that for years.
hubby's, what have I been doing to you?
Broadcasting me?
How am I broadcasting you?
Huh?
He's cooking me steak.
Mm-hmm.
He's off tomorrow. He's off on Monday and Tuesday. So,
Let's just see what we get into.
it's 8:43. All the kids are sleeping, and he's making me dinner. Well, I don't know if that's dinner, but
Yeah,
he's cooking for me. And I'm just like, I just put up a vlog. I feel like I'm tired. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. I did tell you guys I slept in his basement. I feel like such a bad girl because I slept in his basement last night. But
what?
because I slept in your basement.
Oh, I thought you said something else.
He had me in his basement all night last night.
I thought you said something else.
Just holding me a hostage. Wouldn't let me out. Wouldn't let me leave.
Nope.
And I was like, oh my gosh. And then Tom came to visit.
I don't know who Tom is. That's not Tom. I told you. His name is not Tom.
You know who Tom is. Tom came to visit bright and early. In the early morning. And I'm like, oh my gosh. Tell Tom he needs to wear a raincoat. Look at
What happened? It's just been sitting there.
Maybe because it's hot. I don't know. we found blackberry ginger ale. Because we like cranberry ginger ale.
Our favorite is cranberry for the holiday.
Yeah, our favorite is cranberry for the holiday. But we found blackberry ginger ale, and it's okay. I like it, but it's okay. It's not like, you know, our cranberry.
Cranberry is the shit.
Cranberry is, you know, the thing. But I'm not spending the night at his house. I'm not spending the night in his basement tonight because, you know, it's a school night, okay? Ain't nobody got time to be spending. Thank you so much. Oh, so good. So we'll see you guys. This will be a continuation vlog into tomorrow to see what we get into, because we have no kids except for Maddie, to see what we can get ourselves into, because it's been a while since we've been alone. And the tree is so pretty where it's at in its final resting place. I went to Bath and Body Works, I was telling you guys, and they had a sale. It was buy 3 get 4 free. So I bought for Destiny, my mother-in-law, and my sister-in-law. They're getting lotions. So I got Japanese cherry blossom, because that's like, wait a minute, why you got your boxers all hanging out in my video? I got Japanese cherry blossom. Did you just fart?
No.
Ew, you're disgusting. And then I got a new scent in the stars, because he told me I couldn't go to Bath and Body Works anymore until all my items are finished.
Yes.
Are used up, and that's the only reason why I was able to go to Bath and Body Works, is because all my lotions are completely used up. I didn't get any spray because I already have spray, and I was so tempted to do their candle sale that they had the other day, which was like $8, and if you use a coupon it's even cheaper. I was so tempted, but I think I have like 2 more candles to burn through. Before I had a ton of them and it was just out of control. And then I had plugins and a whole bunch of, I had hand soap. I had a whole bunch of stuff, and he put his pants on and told me that I could no longer go back there until I've used up what I had. So I used up all this hand lotions, so I was able to go to Bath and Body Works on, was it Friday? Yeah, it was on Friday that I went, and they had a sale, buy 3 get 4 free, and then there was a $10 off 30. So I got an amazing deal. So and then I got 1,000 wishes, and then I also got winter candy apple. This is my favorite. All of these are my favorite except for this one. Destiny told me to try this. She said she likes it, so I'm gonna give it a try. And then I got Destiny 1, my mother-in-law 1, and my sister-in-law 1, and I got 4 for myself, which is the main reason why I went there, was to get gifts for them. So it was cool how it works out that I buy 3 and I get 4 free. So I didn't buy any body spray or anything like that because I already have those, and it's gonna take me a hot minute to get through all the body sprays that I have. Excuse me, it's gonna take me a hot minute to get through all of that, and also hand soap. No, I already gone through the hand soap, but I'm not buying any hand soap from there no time soon. Candles I already have. I told you guys I have 2 that I have to go through, and then gosh, I gotta go. It's like 6 minutes already. See you guys tomorrow.